Here I'm gonna show you how to create YouTube-like subscribe button. So open up an HTML file, and now I have placed colors of the button, background, font color of subscribe and unsubscribe button. So with this and title of the HTML file, subscribe button, and Google API found Roboto with demo CSS, which is for demonstration purposes, with a title in the middle. Okay, so this is a wrapper of a file. Now, right, as you can see, it looks like this. Okay, now write a button, subscribe, and let's write style, button, width 147 pixels, height 37 pixels, background, it's a color, it's a red color, FF0000, color, it's font color of subscribe button, and now button looks like this. Okay, now we need to add outline, none, font size 16 pixels. Now add a font family, it's from Google Roboto, sans serif. Voila. Now border none, border radius 3 pixels, cursor pointer, text transform uppercase. This looks much better, and font size, font weight bold, letter spacing 0.5, and we need to add class subscribed with the colors, font color of subscribe button, which is here, color 6A 6A 6A, background EEE. Alright, now we're gonna place a JavaScript within a script tag, var button document dot query selector button dot add event listener click with the function toggle, function toggle, and Let's try if it works. Alert, hello world. Save it, and as you can see, it works. Now we need to place a condition. If button dot text content is equal to subscribe ten button dot set attribute class subscribe. Button dot text content subscribe. Else button dot remove attribute class subscribed button dot text content subscribe. Alright, refresh page, and as you can see, our button fully works. Perfect. Now if you open up Firefox, you will see a dotted border. That's not nice. Let's fix it. Go to style and place this selector, button, mouse, focus, inner, and we're gonna place border 0. Save it, refresh page, subscribe it. Now as you can see, it's very nice. It works. It's fixed.